Hi, my name is Mark Kochanowicz, and I'm going to install the new WeatherTech Floor Liners in my 2016 Mazda Grand Touring sedan. So that's what's inside the box. Guess we'll start with the back first. I just got this car 1 week ago, and I want to protect it because I have 4 daughters. And now we're on to the passenger side behind the driver. So this doesn't really look that difficult. This is obviously custom made. Basically, they say that right there and on their website. And I got the front and back mats for under $200. With delivery, it might have cost me, I think it was maybe $18 for processing and tax and delivery. So it was like maybe $209, $210. The good news is that it took maybe, I ordered it Friday, maybe before 12 o'clock my time, and it is now Wednesday at 6 o'clock, and they arrived that soon by FedEx. Okay, so you can see here the fit is pretty good. That was relatively simple. Would that take about 30 seconds? I guess this goes over here. So the only issue I'm having is maybe right here. Maybe that's supposed to go under here. I'm not quite sure. But it's pretty good. I'm not complaining at all. Okay, we'll do the passenger side front next. So I'm going to pull out the old ones. That was easy. And grab the new one. Okay, let's see. This seems rather intuitive, and I guess that's it. Doesn't look like it's going anywhere. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, on to the driver's side. Here. Wow, piece of cake. Let's check it out. I think it's looking pretty tight. This is the bulk of the wear for me. I've noticed in other floor mats that I've owned in previous cars that seems to wear out really fast. So we'll see how long this goes. Here are the instructions for the floor liners. And there's the price I paid. Not bad. I think I'd probably end up paying the same if I got a set of floor mats from the dealer. And I'm expecting these to last longer. Okay, so that was really easy. I got the new WeatherTech floor liners in, and it took me maybe 2 minutes. So thanks for tuning in.